Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I'm here again with another X. You understand? I always have hits for y'all. You understand? To let the world know what is happening into the world. So this one is Lil Mabu. Lil Mabu. Bang bang. Bang bang. You understand? Official music video. Guys, I want every one of y'all to subscribe right now. You understand? Big up yourself. You understand? Big up to myself now. Let's get right into it.
Look at those dark circles. Look at his eyes, bro.
I love the
I'm
graphics.
telling you, people, a rich white kid who grew up don't have dark circles like that. It looks like he got bags under his eyes.
Hold on. Seems like this guy is dissing someone. XXL diss. Wow.
Yeah. I just landed in my city. Where's the fucking gang? Been in the A so long, my whole accent changed. Ain't gotta write it on a chain, cause they know the name. I put a brain on my Cuban, cause that's where I aim. Bang, bang, bang. I said bang, bang, bang. I just touched down in my city. Where the fuck the gang?
Bro, this guy is not capping, bro. This guy is not capping.
I came back at G, let's play a little game. Got a couple different names. Let's play, go get some money. Or we can play, move your family out the hood and buy your mother something. That's a real man's job. How you treat a whore better than your own mom, bitch. What for that first night, forgot her first name.
Yo, I swear beat gonna drop right there just now, bro.
Give me God, fuck the talking stage. My boo, why'd you cut right after you came? You a slut, whole face is a cum stain. Y'all be rapping about the same clothes, rapping about the Drake ghost. Y'all be on the block.
That's the beat I was looking for, bro. Oh.
He said it's lonely at the top, that's cause you left your bros. Me and the gang getting top after every show.
Hey, Lil Mabu, you talking to this one. Oh. Hey, everyone subscribe right now. This one is tough, epic.
Got these white hoes hooked on snow. And they love to blow, oh they love to blow. Run the train on these hoes like a railroad. I'm back in my city with the fucking
Hey, this guy blocked the city, bro. This guy, hey, bang, bang, bang.
Been in the A so long, my whole accent changed. Ain't gotta write it on a chain, cause they know the name. I put a brain on my Cuban, cause that's where I aim. Who
He
let
put
the
a brain
beast?
on his cube and that's how he's paint, bro. Yo, this guy is not capping, tough like stone.
For fucking cage. Streets by night, school by day. Gang, YGA, this that YGA. Whole gang, keep a 4.0. GTA. Fuck XXL, I'm a freshman in real life. Twice. Nerf around my neck, but this a real pipe. Y'all left me off that list, that was slick as fuck. Thank God y'all ain't let me in that class, I would've shot it up. Bang! I said bang, bang. Yeah, I said bang, bang, bang.
Bro, I have to feel if I get shot just now. Oh my god, yo.
With the fucking gang. Been in the A so long, my whole accent changed. Ain't gotta write it on a chain, cause they know the name. I put a brain on my Cuban, cause that's where I aim. Who let the beast out the fucking cage? Streets by night, school by day. Gang, YGA.
I want everyone to subscribe.
4.0 GTA.
Hey, he's going on tour. Guys, you reach the end of the video, bro. I need a fresh haircut right now. Where I'm gonna get it? Hair designed by Lex right over on Instagram. Go check her out. Follow her and DM her if you need her to do your hair right now. You understand? Lil Mabu, bang, bang. This thing is tough. Yo, bro, this thing is tough, bro. Subscribe right now. People, you want to hear this music? Go over this channel and subscribe right now. One code, music. You understand? Code. People, I'm out.